Welcome to the hands-on activity demonstration for Space Telescopes, Exploring an Infinite Universe.
Hello everyone again. My name is Lawrence Liu. I'm Computer Systems Engineering Computer Science dual major at Rensselaer, class of 2022.
My name is Sarah Burrows. I'm an aeronautical engineering major at Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute with the class of 2024.
And today we're going to be showing you guys how to make your own telescope. Now, you guys should have gotten your own parts already. So I'm just going to show some of them that you guys need. You're going to need one small tube and one large tube. Don't mess with these yet. We're going to use those later. You guys should have also gotten a black folder like this. Hopefully you guys did. If you guys did not, please find one. And finally, you guys should have gotten some tape, a lens, and a flat lens. And using these, you guys are going to be making your own telescope.
Right, so first we're going to start off. What you want to do is outline the edge of the telescope on the manila folder in order to get the right size that you want to cut out. And so once you have it cut out, you also will want to cut a hole in the center to put the lens. So it'll end up looking like this. And once you have the file folder all cut out, what you want to do is take the flat lens and then tape it to the side, just like that. And then you will want to repeat these steps and do it with the curved lens as well. And so you will want to put the curved lens on the smaller tube, and then you will want to put the flat lens onto the larger tube. And so once you do this, you can tape it to the end of the tube like seen here. And then afterwards, all you have to do, put the smaller tube inside the larger tube, and you can adjust it just to the right point so that you can see the image clearly at the other end. And once you do see this image, it will be upside down because it's a refracting telescope using lenses. But that does not mean you did anything wrong. But it's something cool to consider. You can consider why this might be.